Hello, AP Research students. We are going to be using the analogy of a jigsaw puzzle a lot in this class. So I want to go over that analogy with you so that when I mention it, it makes sense to you. So hopefully you've all done a jigsaw puzzle before. What you do is you find how the pieces go together, right? So I know that this piece is going to be a corner. This piece is going to go on the bottom. So I'm going to find the pieces and I'm going to start putting them together. I know this piece goes over here on the edge somewhere. So let's see if I can get one. Let's see if I can get one. Um, this goes on this edge. This goes on this edge. This is going to be a corner down here. Here we go. There, snap, it goes together. And this is going to be a piece up here, right? So the analogy I want to use, though, for the jigsaw puzzle is that when we are doing when we do our research paper for this class, it might not be what you think. Last year in AP seminar, you did research. You looked at research that was already done, research that had already been put out there. In this class, you're going to do that too, but then you're also going to create your own research. So these puzzle pieces represent the research that you find. So you're going to pick a topic that you want to research, and then you're going to go out there and you're going to read everything that's already out there about it. And that's all these pieces. And then there's a section of your paper that you write about all these research pieces that you found on your topic. And that's called oh, now, of course, I'm drawing a blank that I'm recording. That is called the literature review. There it is. The literature review is where you talk about all the different pieces that people have already done, all the different pieces of research that have already been done on your topic. But the point of that is so that you can show what hasn't been done. So when I put my puzzle together and I find that I have a missing piece here, this missing piece in research is what we call the gap. Okay? So when I go and I start writing my paper, first thing I do is I talk about all these pieces that have been covered on my topic. And I talk about all those so that I can say, this is what's here. Here's the piece that's missing. And this piece that's missing, this gap, that's what the rest of my paper is going to cover. The rest of my paper is going to be about trying to fill this gap. What needs to be done in order to have this piece filled in? So, and then that is where we start looking at interviewing people, doing surveys, maybe depending on the type of topic that you're working with. If you're doing a scientific topic, you might even be doing a um, experiment. You might be doing case studies in some areas of research, and then you're gonna analyze. What your paper is going to do is it's going to analyze all the information that you are able to gather to try and fill this gap, so that someone else looking at the research on your topic can find all of these pieces and this piece that you have filled. So we're going to talk a lot more about that. If it doesn't make 100% sense yet, do not worry, because we'll be talking more and more about that gap as we start researching. But right now, all we're going to do is we are going to start finding the puzzle pieces, finding the information that's already out there on a topic. We will start working on that soon. Talk to you later. Bye.